If you are wondering if you can use Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 with a Motorola smartphone, then the answer is yes. If you happen to have a Motorola smartphone and if you just bought Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then you can easily pair it with your Motorola smartphone. You just need to use the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app or just Galaxy Wearable app. You need to download it from the Play Store on your Motorola smartphone, and you should be able to use it in order to pair your Galaxy Watch 9. And there is, of course, a downside of not using a Samsung smartphone or just using anything else than Samsung smartphone for a Galaxy Watch 9, and that is that you might not have access to some of the features. Like, for example, over here, the Samsung Health Monitor app does not work at all. It is not supported, so of course this might be an issue for some of you. So you just need to keep that in mind, that while the Galaxy Watch 9 is usable and many features still work just fine, there are some that are limited to Samsung smartphones. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.